everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious seafood recipe. Black tiger shrimp, jumbo, big shrimp, deveined, and these are 6 of these, and I'm going to make creamy jumbo shrimp. To make it creamy, I'm going to use 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Olive oil for tadka, 1 tablespoon onion, garlic, ginger, 1 teaspoon each. Black pepper, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon each. Parsley flake and red chili flake, 1/2 teaspoon each. Let's start making our delicious creamy black tiger shrimp. Get a karahi or wok and start a gas. Add 2 teaspoon olive oil. As the oil start to heat up, add ginger, garlic. Cook it for 10 to 20 seconds until the garlicky flavor is gone. So this is good enough. Now add onion. Mix it well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add spices. And we're going to hold on parsley flake. All of the spices are added and mix it well. And cook the spices along with tadka for a half minute. Cooking spices for a half minute. Add shrimp. Jumbo tiger shrimp. And mix it well. And now keep it moving and keep cooking with the tadka. Look at this, how delicious they are changing color. Look at them so nicely. They don't take that long to cook. We're going to turn these over too, like these. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to turn them over one more time. Cooking black tiger shrimp, jumbo shrimp with the tadka for 3 minutes. Now add cream. Mix it. On medium gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes on medium heat. I'll open it. Mix it. Turn the jumbo shrimps over. This is looking so good, so delicious. And now we're going to add parsley flake. Mix it well. After adding parsley, cook it for 1 more minute. Cooking for 1 minute. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving plate ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at this, how delicious. I'm going to place it. These are black tiger jumbo shrimp. Please try it this way and you're going to like it. These are super yum. This is delicious cream. Wow. Let me share with you our tasty and delicious creamy black tiger shrimp. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.